Hello, welcome to Aaron's 1025R Adventures. Today we're going to be installing some Heavy Hitch products. This is their front receiver. This is their weight receiver bracket. It comes with 4 bolts with molded in washers, 4 nuts with molded in washers. I have my blue Loctite, my white marking paint. The nuts are 18 millimeter. The bolts are 16 millimeter. And I have my torque wrench. They did not give me a recommendation, so I'm going to go with 75 foot-pounds based on the size of the bolt. So now I'm going to stop for a second, reposition the camera, and we'll start the install. So we're going to install the front receiver. This will come in handy for when you don't have your loader on because you're mowing or doing some work that you don't really want it in the way, and you still need some front ballast. So it has 3 holes on each side. I assume that's so it fits the 1025R and the 1026. We'll put our Loctite on our bolts. So the bolt head is 16, the nut is an 18. So let's get this started here. Now at the end of the video, I will include a couple photos for clearance to show you how close the loader comes to this. Besides the weight bracket, I also want to be able to mount a winch up here. I expect to get in some muddy conditions and I want to be prepared to extract myself. Any of my old-time friends who might happen to watch this will know that I'm very good at getting out in the mud and playing and extracting myself. I used to have a off-road buggy. Okay, so I said I was going to go to 75 foot-pounds. So I'll start at 65. Maybe that's it. Little Buzz was a friend of mine going live on Facebook, Bill Cott. He does live jive a couple times a day. He's an actor. He's been on Wizards of Waverly Place, The Ringer, Galaxy Quest. Great guy. Alright, there we go. That's all there is to it. I'll take the tension out of my torque wrench to help protect it. Put my match marks on here. And some of my other videos, I'll do the backside later. I'll be kind of hard to get to right now. So here's the receiver bracket. Now, I believe with the loader on, you're not going to need the receiver bracket, and I don't think it would clear. Okay, so I'm going to back the camera up just a little bit so you can see me put the weight on. I'll raise it up to a little higher. There you go. So it's got this nice locking bar on here, so your weights don't bounce off. When I bought my tractor, I got a whole complement of 70-pound weights. I got it with the backhoe, and I want to be able to replace the backhoe weight for when I'm operating on hills. So there you go. And this will hold 8, 2 per slot. So there's enough room right there, and then there's another slot over here. So that's today's video. I'll tag a picture on the end of it with the loader on here so you can see the clearance. Have a wonderful day. Remember, laugh and enjoy. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.